we go. What? Bro, your helmet's off. What are you doing? Whoa. What are you... Really though, what are you getting into? I remember the time I rode single track up here, they told me the hardest thing is like getting up the first climb to get to everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh God, went the wrong way. Nice tree.
Oh.
Oh, nice. Man. How deep that is?
Probably not that deep, just annoying.
Okay,
now I look dumb.
Yeah. Oh look, they come together anyway. Oh nice.
Nice.
How many years has it been since me and you rode this? Wow. I remember that was the trip I didn't even have a skid plate on the DR. Yeah. I mean, I'm sure this will drop in the summer, but yeah. When me and you took this last time, there wasn't like any of these holes, like nice, manicured. Yeah. So it's one of these climbs like this. Is how you get up. Is how you get up top to where like a lot of the good single track is. Really? Yeah. They told me when I was out here, they were like, you can get up this climb, you'll be able to do everything else the rest of the day. Bro, it wasn't, I remember this, and it wasn't rocky or anything at all. It's like it's all washed away. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's like, you should be able to come through here and get some air and stuff, like back in the day.
Yeah.
On the way out. Little water breaks and stuff. Not now. Oh.
Might be fun on my Jeep.
Yeah. That wouldn't be bad.
Oh.
It makes you think they actually put a lot of work into some of these trails whenever it was open.
Yeah. You don't realize how much they're doing until they're not doing it.
Yeah, right. They probably like trench the place holes out and everything.
Yeah.
From holding water.
So this way, and see what we run into.
I guess it's okay this fan's running. I don't know, like how hot's too hot on these things. I don't even know.
Yeah, I don't think it can get too hot.
Yeah. Guess
I mean, the fans should keep it
from getting too hot, right?
Yeah.
That looks.
I'm sure we can get through it, but let's just take the path of least resistance. Yeah, when I used to prep those things, we used to we let them get hot.
Yeah.
KTM said to let them get hot. Somewhere we turned off up here to get up into some single. Looking for any little offshoots I see. Another, oh, okay. Yeah, there's HillClimb
there.
Yeah. I think we climbed that to get up to that next level. Here's the easier way.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, starting to look a little gnarly, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't care to try that one day, but I don't want to take you through that today. Whoa. It's so washed out. That's like when they get that washed out, that's like WR stuff.
Yeah.
In my opinion, anyway. Looks like single track took off on that ledge. Keep going this way, dog. I think that was a single track trail.
Was it?
I think it was. Just gonna pop up here and see what's up here.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. Just hit the ditch.
Oh,
Ditch was way deeper than I thought.
I see that. Bob. Got it, go, go, go. Woohoo!
Heck. My phone started dialing 911.
What the heck?
What?
My phone
Yeah.
started dialing 911.
You were?
Yeah, my phone.
Yeah.
My phone was.
Oh,
Yeah, my phone. My phone was.
oh no.
I mean, I think I stopped it in time. But see, I don't even have a SIM card in this phone, so I guess it just like, I don't know how that would work. But yeah, I got, as soon as you said go, I think you said you got it, go. My phone started beeping and calling out, and I didn't even touch my phone. Yeah, so. Yeah, Weston's done the same thing. I think it might be some voice command. I don't know. I can't think of any other way. Okay. Yeah, I'll just go up here and turn around or whatever, but definitely looks like that whole ledge back there kind of just stopped. Like this is an old logging ledge. And then they just kind of went around it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see where it goes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely some single track. Just trying to make a mental note so I can bring Mason up here on 300s. What'd you say? Yeah. About all. I got the energy to ride. Damn, there's a lot of roots right here.